Hello, my name is Tatiana Barrios. Welcome to Coveñas, a small municipality located in the department of Sucre in northern Colombia. Coveñas offer beautiful white sands, beaches, and coasts. Water activities such as scuba dive and boats, rice, and volleyball. Remember to keep all beaches clean and stay hydrated throughout your stay. Like many places the world, Joveñas has its own superstition. Placing under on leather is believed to bring bad luck. The best time to visit Joveñas is during the dry season, December through March. However, if you prefer fewer visitors and cheaper prices, you can visit during the months of April to June. Coveñas offer a brief of lodging options to suit every traveler's needs, from cabins to hostel vacation apartments. Indulge in the local cuisine for Coveñas and delight your palate. Don't forget to try the typical drink of Coveñas, guarapo panela, and sweet and refreshing drink. To get to know Coveñas, you can use public transportation. Being a coastal area, you can offer boats or acclations to try bicycles. The language spoken in Coveñas is Spanish. You can tip for service rendered. Exploring the beauty of Coveñas relies on its beaches and immersions yourself in the warm hospitality and vibrant culture of this tropical paradise. Thank you.